So si Nirisa mo yung una sa mo report. So Nirisa, kabalo ra ba ka mo share no sa kuan about sa sharing
Wala ko rin tunan. Bahala na ko.
Baka na din sa.
Perfect ra na ko.
Asa ni ko ani taman Jess? Sa number
Sa-
4 ha?
number 4.
1 to 4 ha, 1 to 4.
Yes.
Sige.
Ay,
Pila ka slide sa inyo ha?
ay asa rate. Asa butang ang rate na to.
Sa,
Atong
ku-
1
papel.
4 namin.
sa kuan lang 1/4
1/4.
na kay ugma pa man ta
Pwede na
mag-upgrade.
1.8. Wala ko lang po ito eh. Butang nga nagnalan sa grupo din.
Pagpuyo mi, pagpuyo.
Okay.
Pag dito sulod Rihanna, sulod. Sulod sa kwarto Rihanna. Kung ka Jess, ikaw una.
Hello, huy. Slide 1 to slide 4 man ang imo agutaman then ako may kinalasan.
Ang sige.
Sige, go na.
Ano na ko?
Okay, oo, go.
To the two fundamental question. The science of ethics revolves around two pivotal questions. What makes an action wrong? And what makes an action right? What is the very reason why certain acts are right and why certain act wrong? By what standard or on what basis we discriminate between right and wrong, being good or bad human conduct? Morality. Morality in ethics refers to a system of principles, values, and beliefs about what is right and wrong, good and bad, virtues and non-virtues. It encompasses concepts such as fairness, justice, honesty, integrity, compassion, and respect for others. Morality provides a framework for individuals and societies to evaluate and guide their behavior, decisions, and interactions with others. And the last is what is the meaning of life? In ethics, the meaning of life can be approached from various perspectives, depending on the ethical framework or philosophy being considered. Virtue ethics, deontological ethics, utilitarianism, ethical relativism, existentialist ethics.
Yes, ako ano
Matay ka po
ano
na,
na
Jess.
ako ano na nga report. Continue ko sa imong report. So i-off sa ang screen share palihog.
Okay.
Okay. So to the continue of the report about the two fundamentals question on ethics. So what is the ultimate norm or ground of this tension between the right or wrong? Ultimately, the ultimate or norm or ground of distinction between the right and wrong depends on one ethical framework and philosophical perspective. Different individual and culture may prioritize different factors when determining what is morally right or wrong. So, however, there are many procedure to consider if it is your, what do you call this one, kanang na buhat is sakto ba or wrong. To determine that, so to to determine that para ma-determine nimo nga imo ang hakbang is wrong ba or right. Like example, kung naa kay nasakitan nga tawo, then aside of that, many peop kanang daghan ka nasakitan nga din tapos dili sila gusto sa imong hakbang. So maybe that is wrong. If it is na naman po'y happy, dayon maybe that is right. So we need not dili siya nato totally ma-consider nga totally right or wrong jud siyang hakbang, especially kung they are difficult decision in our lives mga good. So the next slide is all about the what is life in its fullness and deepest meaning. So Ultimately, the interpretation of life, fullness, and deepest meaning in ethics can vary widely depending on one's physiological, rigid- rigorously our culture background as well as the personal beliefs and values. It is a complex, deeply subjective question that has been explored throughout the history by the philosophers, theologically, and thinkers from diverse traditions. So, as a side of that, yes, nadyo tayo gipang sunod pod nga culture like mga called myth bitaw nga like tinuan like mga spirit like that. And next is the connection between those two questions lies in the fundamental inquiries into the ethics and the nature of morality. So, the ultimate norms of grounds discussion between the right and wrong. These questions delivers into the fundamental principle or standards that determine what actions are morally right or wrong. It addresses the basics for the ethical judgment and discussion, whether they stem from religious beliefs, philosophical reasonings, social norms, or other resources. So, for the number two, life is all fullness and deepest meaning. These questions explores the borders context with the ethical considerations takes place. It concerns the purpose, value, and significance of human existence, which can be influence how individual and society understand and approach moral issues. So those are the two questions lies on the fundamental in ethics to compare the connection of two. So, the connection between those two questions can be seen how the answer. Uy. The second question, more information by influenced by the answer to the first question. For example, religious perspectives, religious beliefs in the divine command as the ultimate one's decision distinction between the right and wrong may also sharp one's understanding of life's fullness, meaning possibly emphasize the spiritual growth or adherence of more religious techniques. So, like example, we will tackle about the Roman and also the Muslims. So, some of Muslims don't eat meat or don't what you call it. They don't eat pork. In short, so Catholics they believe that when you eat pork, doesn't matter. There is no na ang wala bitaw siya'y bawal no wala siya'y totally nga ay no 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 dapat inacho ni karon kay agi ana no no in Muslims they believe that when you eat pork you will get sick like you will be get the so what kind of sick man di anyway kanang kuan like example magsakit na imong tiyan or dili imo ang sins kay cannot or can't forgiven by the God which they called siyala while sa Catholic it's okay naman good nga mo kaon kag pork kay ak gihatag siya sa Ginoo and usa pod siya sa mga binuhat. So those are example of the religious perspective. While the alternative perspective is the literalism focus on the maximum overall happiness or well-being as the norms. To view the life's fullness meaning as the promotion greatest the happiness of the greatest number of people. So these are the perspectives where we call this as stages or the hakbang-hakbang or we call it hagdanan unsa ang pagka kuan if asa siya pa ano jud totally padulong or kung gikuan pa nato na is mura siya gihashasan bitaw kung asa jud mas nindot gipilian yun siya. While the extensional perspectives, extensional is ideas but about the creating personal meaning is under cared world could influence both the understanding of ethical norms, perhaps emphasize personal responsibility and authenticity, and the search for the life depends meaning, such as to find a purpose through individual choices. So Kanisha is third is more it's all about the research and also the meaning of uncertain world called influence. So we call this as a Gen Z generation. That's we call that one as the external perspective. So nga na siya. In summary, the connection between two questions highlights how ethical frameworks and beliefs about life's meaning are intertwined, which each inform and shaping the others in philosophical religious context. So that's all our report about the two fundamentals question of the ethics. So that's it. Next reporter. Yes, kamu lang. Ah, yes. Uy! Daghang.
Ano na, Jess? Ang kumila.
Si
Wait lang.
sige, sugod na, go na.
Ay, naginting.
Pila ka size mo, Alin?
Yes.
16 rate.
Di ba na sa imo, Alin?
Wala natunga imong slide.
Taas man, kuda tuwa ka ng ethics of law.
Right.
Before ko mag-start, ako sa i-discussing rules relation between ethics and law.
Sige, sige.
Na? Ang ethics yung kay Kita? Yan, ang morality ay tumutugol sa isang
Wala.
ugali kung saan tama ay naibasa nila. Content of morality of peoples is likewise of lyrics and individual. The individual, the group, the tribe, the nation. The vital questions of duty and knowledge of Before ko mag-start, ako sa i-discuss ng close relation between ethics and law. About the nature of the ang ethics ko no kay matalakay sa morality and then ang morality ay tumutukoy sa isang pamantayan o batas na pag-uugali kung saan tama ay naiiba sa mali. The content of morality of all peoples is likewise embodied in a code of laws which directs and governs the actions of the individual, the group, the tribe, the nation. The vital questions of duty and moral obligation depend there in the nature of law. No one can have a clear conception of the possible moral obligation to obey the law if he is vague about the nature of the various types of laws. Hence, it is necessary in ethics to know the philosophy of law. Ito din, next na dayon. The metaphysical basis of law. From the metaphysical point of view, every being has its own specific nature, its intrinsic worth, its tendencies which naturally flow from its being, the end of its being. Nagpasabot na lahat ay mabuti dahil bawat nilalang ay may kalikasan at layunin na akma sa kalikasan nito. Ito ay isang paraan ng nagpapahayag na lahat tayo ay may kanya-kanyang likas na batas or tinatawag ito na natural law. This view of morality is not merely one of subjective optimism, arising, say, from man's predilection for simplicity, from the mind's tendency to give short-hand explanations regarding the complicated behavior of things. The sciences tell us of the laws which govern the movements of all things from the infinitesimal electron to the biggest star. What are the science but the search and discovery of the laws of nature? The sciences study the nature of things, beings, their properties and their behavior flowing from their nature and the laws that govern them. And these laws are discovered, not created by a scientist. Laws are discovered, not created by scientists. Sabotable na siya. Next guy, normality of functioning. It is based on the nature of being, the proper way in which by reason of its specific end, it should achieve the fullness of its being or its will. Natural law in general is as we have just seen this following. The idea formula of development of a given thing, it might be compared with an algebraic equation, say of a curve to which all curves in reality must conform or resemble at least in order to be a true curve at all. Natural law is an ideal order relating to human acts, a watershed between the fitting and unfitting, the proper and the improper, which pertains to our human nature or essence, then and then changing as accessories that are rooted in it. Next, general concept of law. What is law means? Law means a rule of norm which governs the nature and or actions of things. The laws of triangles govern the nature or essence of triangles. The laws of physics govern the movements of inanimate objects, etc. and etc. We also speak of the laws which control the biological functions of plants and animals. Laws of nutrition, growth, reproduction, and etc. In every case, a law is conceived as a directive of actions. The eternal law. There is in every man the voice of reason which tells him of a law. Do good and avoid evil. As soon as man attains the age of reason, he would naturally know, without his learning it before, to distinguish between right and wrong. The distinction between the two is immediately or directly perceived by reason just as the eyes directly see color or light. This voice may oftentimes be discarded or even stifled, yet though how weak it always asserts and tells us of the law. Kalimutan the eternal law kay gitawag po siya og the law of God. Bot mo siya sa akong sa Ginoo nga batas niya. The next guy. Now, when it comes this law of conscience, which we are about to naalabata mo sunod sa unsay paan niya sa naalabata mo sunod. Para sa ako, kay yes, we are morally obligated to obey because we know we are subject to the law and that oftentimes its dictates run counter to our very inclinations. If we make this law, which is this law of conscience, it should approve everything we would like to do. But the opposite seems quite true. We have already refuted the Kantian theory. Walang kabalong sa ning Kantian theory. Butang na ni siya sa ano. That reason is that which makes and obeys the law of, at the same time. We pointed out that our own consciousness tells us that we received it from another, from a higher source and authority, which is the supreme lawgiver. Kani si supreme lawgiver, mo ni siya ang kanang ultimate source sa mga batas bitaw din sa mga tanang obligasyon sa there exists in God an eternal law. As Aquinas profoundly observes, just in every artificer, there pre-exists an exemplar of the things that are set up by his arts. So in every governor, there must pre-exist the exemplar of the order of the things that are to be done by those who are subject to his government. And just as exemplar of the things yet to be made by an art is called the pattern or model of a product art. So the exemplar in him who governs the acts of his subjects has the character of a law, provided the all conditions be present. Moreover, he governs all the acts and movements which are found in each single creature. Therefore, just as the plan of the divine wisdom, inasmuch as all things created by it has the character of an exemplar, a model of an idea, so the plan of divine wisdom, as moving all things to their due end, has the character of law, which is the eternal law. According to Thomas Aquinas, nothing else but God's plan in creating the universe, God's law, which directs all things to their proper end. The eternal law applies to all creatures, rational, irrational, animate, or inanimate. The laws so applied to created things is what is called the natural law or law of nature. Next, the physical and moral law. A law, in
Nakanood
order
ka to,
to be
Jilin?
true, law must be promulgated or made
Ako
known to
mangod.
the subject in order to be truly binding. The eternal law is promulgated to creatures by being embedded in their nature.
Oy, dili
Through
man ako
man,
gawa
to
ka mo
man,
report.
the eternal law is
Dahil
made
puno
known
niya
by
ka.
his reason or conscience. This
Sige,
law
kasi.
of conscience is called the natural moral law. It is nothing else but the same eternal law
Sige,
made
go,
known
go.
to man by reason. Kung kasabot sa kuha, hindi ko maka-explain. Sorry. Then, na-quotes dahil. God has written his law not on blocks of marble or on scrolls of paper, but in the hearts of men. Thank you.
Pero
Yun ako ma-explain guys kay kung kasabot sa akong kuhan.
Na hayahay kayo no, sila may gaduhan.
Nga to guys, thank you. Ano po? Nate?
Okay, fine.
Tyrannical government is in order so that the people suffer more harm than at all upon this law.
Isa to.
In the
Ayo ko do. Mo kay ingon Jess nga na kay mangho di. Sometime kuan sa kuha gama. Sure.
approval.
Di na magsugod na gutom na bitaw ko.
Right.
Go.
It cannot be.
Law and justice. Law are made of purpose and security, the common good. They are perverted from this end. The government that enforces this law is a tyrannous. These tyrannous of people power have the right to resist.
Not always applied.
Tyrannical government says Saint Joseph is not just for it. It is worked not for
There are laws, in particular the moral law which governs the law,
not for the common good but for the private good of those governing. When the tyrannical government is inordinately disturbed so that the people suffer more harm from the disturbance than from the tyranny. If he reflects at all upon this law, he realized that they are not of choosing in fact. The individual realized that these laws are not of their choosing, often reverse in their decision-making process, but their power remain unaffected by their disapproval. A sane man accepts and lives with his dislike, acknowledging they cannot be escaped even if they harm him. There is no freedom from them, but only
Morality
only within
fundamental principle is legislative is
but only within them, which can only be achieved
legislator
by knowing them, not by invention.
is a law of
The
nature that
body
govern
truths are apparent, but men may not always apply the same soul truth.
function effectively
Truths, yet the parallel
and law.
is exact.
Early in
As
life,
there,
one
as there
realized
are laws,
they
in
live in a world
particular the
of
moral
which
law which governs the soul, the moral law is not
whether
more
they
influenced by man, dependent on
formulate
man's
an
approval,
idea of
or is capable
become man.
than the material law. Man can ignore moral and material laws leading the destruction. No freedom exists from moral law, but within it, with the same condition, they fully of discussing emancipation from
or violence are
from the law,
crucial
moral law, or any
to
specific
deter
article
law
is evident
breakings. Natural law provides peace of
in
mind.
every leaf and flower of this stalk.
Is ineffective as a difference.
The Creator imposes internal,
So the end of
immutable
should
laws of
supplement with
good and
proper
evil,
function.
which human nature discovers
Whether a
and
state
applies
law
to
can
conduct human action.
contradicts
In human
natural
events,
law
one people must break
is conscience,
political bans and assume equal
is a
power among the earth's power as nature and gods entitled them.
people from
Morality
attending
of the fundamental principle
it would
is
not be just
legislative bodies, but
instead
it is not created by the legislator or the constitution. It is a law of nature, God or man, and cannot be ignored. For popular government
its bending
to
force and
function effectively, life and law.
interpretation.
Early in life, humans realize they live in a world of law, which can lead to unpleasant experiences. Whether they formulate an idea or remain a
There will be one
practical man, they realize the exist and conflicting interpretation
between times. With the one
resulting in social disorder or chaos. Sanction as reward for a law observance and punishments for violence are
the one
crucial
who refuses to obey
to deter law
present
violators. Natural law provides peace of mind, but in
Denial
its but it is ineffective as a difference. So the end of law should supplement with proper sanction. The question is whether a state law can contradicts natural law is bending in conscience. If a state enacts a law banning work and prohibiting people from attending church, it would not be or just a law. Instead, it would be a violation and perversion of a law. When a state law suppresses or contradicts natural law, it loses its bending force and it considered a violation rather than a law. Quotation: right reason is a true law that is diffuse among all men and is changeable. It commands people to obey their duty and deters from them vice. There will be one eternal, immutable law for all nations and times. When the one common Lord and supreme ruler, being God, refusing obedience to this law will lead to confusion and denial of human nature. The one who refuses to obey will face present punishment as it is a virtual denial for their human nature. Human positive laws and moral laws. Positive laws refers to laws that are based on natural moral law. As human nature already has inherent rights, states law recognize, guarantee, defense, and conserve, but do not create these rights. Land laws are established for the general welfare for the governed.
Tomorrow.
Legislators legislators
Yes,
enact law by restating, interpreting, determining, and specifying that is contained in the natural moral law. These laws are derived from human nature and are fundamental, natural, inherent, and
yes, record tanan natong conversation. Kutawa ani gyud si ma'am.
inalienable. That's all.
Oh, yes, ikatra na ko niya kung ikuan niya. So ani ni siya ni ana si ma'am nga tomorrow man pa sa ani then May 7 is maglantaw siya. So
Kuma na.
kibali ugma na ni sa morning na kuma sent niya tong hard copy. Oo.
Jess. Jessie.
Saan pag-rate? Saan pag-rate?
1/4 ba daw?
Dayon.
Yes, katong
Wala si GC.
Pero, ano tayo, kanang,
Katong
Ipa- sa
rubrics,
1/4
dito to sa
yan,
itong
ibutang
mga
ang
kuan bitaw
grupo.
kibali rate nimo kung giun
Sa na,
sa
tagsa-tagsa
pagka-report,
ninyo
ang
i-rate.
reporter, then ang katong mga classmate nimo dito sila
ay, butang ra yung
Oh,
butang ra
yes.
yung ngalan, di, i-rate na mo.
Okay na ba
Kalatasan
sa
to siya,
one
pero
port?
ang
Duwa na
rate
ba?
natin is may
Isa ka
group.
group na daw
May
na.
Isa ka
na
group,
rate,
dili.
ay itong
Ibutang-
tagsa-tagsa nga
Butang
rate.
ilang tagsa-tagsa ngalan.
Yes.
May ang kuan.
Kibali doon ang
Utan.
rating lagi, kibali.
Kami utang ni GC
Sa
kaniya.
first
Kamo
week
may
ako,
rate din ang
ang
sunod na pod
block
kami mo rate. Ikaw ra
Group
Jess
A,
may kuan ato Jess.
grade one.
Sige.
O din butangig ngalan sa ubos dayon. Ninyo din signature ninyo. Mo may
Yes,
gikuan ni
mobile
mama
paper,
sa diha.
wala ko'y long. Kay A4
Sa
ang
signature
nakadiri
of, ay, asa may butang kapit na?
Ngalan din yung signature sa kilid. Basta magkikugma mo. Eskwela man mo.
Yes, ma'am.
Yan na kay 1/4 eh.
Hala, uy.
Wala na ko'y
mga
book
para sa
pin.
ganito,
Ayaw,
wala
what,
na-
what?
Wala na pa din naman ko estudyante mapit na pagduwak dan.
Oh, pero kung sa motor sa taog.
Record na ni mo, Jess.
Di man siya dili padayo, di pa.
Yatay ka, Jess.
Oh, Miss
Sige,
Jessie.
sige, sige.
Ikatrabo na ang mana sa report.
Ikat lang mo na, Jess. Kapag kung edit, no?
So,
Tama na.
end na niya. Sige, bye-bye na. End na niya tong call. Ayaw sa kukon sa inyong camera tanan PK. Request si ma.
Eh, dungan man na.
Sige,
Sa
go, go.
7, sa 7 kay dungan magpasa.